Hello YouTube, this is SP21538 Sam here. This is just a video on my final result of my CJ5 restoration. Sorry about the late upload of it. I've been on YouTube for quite some time now. But this is the Jeep I've been doing up. 1963 Willys CJ5 Jeep. Yeah, she's a beaut. She's already done a couple of trips. As you can see, she's got a bit of flex in the rear, but not so much at the front. So yeah, bit of a beaut. I like it. Yeah. Here's the inside. It's a bit dirty, but haven't had time to clean it out. So yeah. So put a few things on it. High lift jack, wheel carrier, and a CB aerial. Yeah. Thanks for watching.